Hey everyone, welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage. Today we're just doing a progress update video on our good buddy Jared's 66 Mustang Fastback. So where we're at in this stage of this car is we are body working, block sanding, taking care of all the high and low spots on this car. The quarter panels have been quite problematic. We have a lot of low spots right through this area on both of the quarter panels, and so we're trying to take care of that, take care of the high spots and low spots. That way you don't see any of that kind of stuff on the paint. So drip rails have been shaved and we're body working that so that the body line just kind of flows and looks very natural, but it's turning out very well. The roof does have some spots that need to be dealt with as well. I mean, the whole car has areas that need to be filled and blocked and sanded. That's kind of where we're at, is we're just filling, guide coating, block sanding. Here's the other quarter panel that we haven't really done much body work yet. We just primed it and did a block sand on it with guide coat. As you can see, this is all a low spot on this car. It's all low, so that needs to be filled and body worked, and hopefully that kind of comes out without adding too much filler. You just don't want to add a lot of filler to that. But anyways, we've had a lot of problems with this quarter panel. I think most of it was kind of how it was installed, and it's probably a lot to do with they're just cheap reproduction panels as well. But anyways, this door jamb has been body worked and kind of reworked. It looks like there was a point in time where this may have been in a slight collision because it was a little mangled. The rocker panel needs a little bit of work to align to the bottom of the door. Drip rail here has been shaved and we're just body working that so it looks all nice and natural. Fender. This fender is a replacement, so it doesn't look as bad as far as high and low spots. This hood is not the hood we're using. The hood we are using is at the sandblaster to get sandblasted. This is an original fender. It has a lot more areas that need to be worked, but we're in the stages of that as well. So it's going to look a little ugly before it looks gorgeous. And then back over here, so we got some doors that we've been body working, high and low spots. Trunk deck lid's got a lot of spots to work up. Here's the other door in case we missed it. But anyway, so that's the 66 project. Still haven't decided on paint. We got lots of time to figure that out. Lots of work still needs to be done, but we're kind of in the block sanding, filling, guide coating, sanding over and over again to get this car as straight as possible. So I'm hoping all the harder work is kind of behind us, which is kind of aligning your doors and panels and whatnot. But anyways, we're getting there. Hope you enjoyed the video instead of photos. And if you have any questions or comments, you know how to get a hold of me. And we'll catch you next time. Thanks.